closed my eyes. I closed my eyes. Fuck you!
Let's see if I catch it.
That's it. Awesome, dude. No, that feels nice.
Oh,
Don't
Nikki.
point it. Oh,
Weapon
sorry.
safety, always away and...
Whoa, heart. Heart.
Yeah.
Don't mess with Johnny.
Yeah, baby.
That's pretty awesome. Yeah, pretty good target.
When they had us shoot those to train them, they had us do it a weird way. I forget how it was, but you have to go like this, and then you bring up, you squat your legs, and you go like this. And yeah,
It
it's
doesn't
weird.
drop you.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Right, Johnny?
Whatever you're comfortable with.
Looks
He's
like
aiming
I'm
for the head.
If you're going for one spot, keep your aim on it. And then that way you know where to make a correction.
I don't think I'm hitting it.